Well, as y'all can see, we made it to Big Brutus, and we're gonna go in here and check it out. If you ever make it up here to see this big machine, it's $8.75 for adults. Veterans do get a discount, but it's well worth the money in my book. So we'll go in here and check it out. All right, this is actually a working model of Big Brutus. I believe it was built in 1940, that little article there. It was built by Albert Malley, M-A-L-L-E, in Mulberry, Kansas, about 1940. There's an actual picture of him. Looks like he's working the thing.
As the main housing work is being finished, there are other crews busy assembling the boom, which is then being lifted into place and attached to the main house.
This is an actual working model of a deep shaft coal mine that's common to this area in the mid-1900s. This was built by Tony Paulich in the 1930s. He passed away in 1952. So this is like an actual model, like a model train. So I'm assuming there's the shaft, and then down here is tracks. The coal must be brought up the shaft and then dumped into railroad cars. But here's some pictures of it working. Never heard of a dart. There's the belly dump. An IH. See?
Mm-hmm. Interesting.
There's an old Cummins. I don't know if you can see it down there. There it is. Sorry about the wind, everybody, but you can actually get up in this. It's a self-guided tour. He gave us a sheet of paper to go up through it, but here's the entrance. Go ahead. I'm not going to show you every step, but you'll just have to come up and visit for yourself.
It's hard. Okay. I feel like you're in a ship.
Mm-hmm.
You know. Oh, this is neat.
All right, everybody. This is where the operator sat. Could you imagine I could turn it right here.
It says please keep your closed. Did you see the elevator?
That's an emergency stop button. I guess you can eject out of this thing if it goes over. Hoist brake, ground crowd brake, swing brake, emergency reset. Of course, nothing's hooked up. Just imagine sitting in that seat, operating that thing.
Right in front of us? Yeah. Right here, it told you.
One thing that's amazing on this machine is that right there is the pivot point. It rotates 360 degrees. Everything else above us rotates on that thing. That's a lot of machine to move with the electric motors. Would you like to go first, dear? In case I fall, I can fall on you.
Yeah. What's amazing to me is it was electrical.
Right. Sorry about all the wind, y'all. But this is the exit. But I wonder where the... Well, we're gonna get on the road, but that was pretty cool. I was glad I finally got to see it.
That is neat. That's really neat.
It's
Boy, look at that.
It's amazing how engineers built that to strip mine. Y'all get over to, I believe it's West Mineral, Kansas, or just do a Google search on Big Brutus, and it'll get you there. I'm itching to get on the road and head west. So, hope you enjoyed the time, the video out here, and it's very interesting, you know. what the engineers and the operators, the people that helped build America. Sorry about the wind again. I'll see if I can block it that way. How's that? But what we went through to strip mine. Hope y'all are having a good day, and we will talk at you later. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're gonna jump on the bike and head west, y'all. Thank you.